Okay, today we want to solve the quadratic formula using the completing the square method. Now the equation is x squared plus 8x plus 2 is equals to 22. Now x squared plus 8x, you bring these two to the right hand side. Now you'll get 22 minus 2. Remember, if we want to get a squared equation from this left hand side, and if you want to do that one, you take this 8, you divide by 2. So x squared plus 8x plus 8 divided by 2, and then you square that number. And what you have done on the left hand side, you do it also to the right hand side. Now that is 8 over 2 squared. This side also plus 8 over 2 squared. If you get this, 8 divided by 2 squared is 16. You see 8 over 2 is 4 squared is 16. Therefore, the equation comes 8x is x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equals to 20, because we did 22 minus 2, you get 20 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 4 squared 16. Now you get 20 plus 16 is 36. Now we have a complete equation whereby x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equals to 36. Now we want to factorize this equation here. Remember, what we have done here, we will get two equations which are squared. Now it is 8x squared plus, you split this into 2, which is 4x plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 36. Now if you factorize it further, you get x into bracket x plus 4 plus 4x plus 4, which is 36. You see, now it has come to equations which are similar. Now you can write it x plus 4 squared is equals to 36. Now if you want to continue factorizing it further, you get the square root of both sides. If you get the square root of this side, you will cancel this square with this square, and if you get the square root of 36, it will be either plus or minus. Now if you factorize, if you get the square root of this square root will go with this square. Now it will remain x plus 4, and this side the square root of 36 will remain plus or minus 6. Now x is equals to plus 6 minus 4, or minus 6 minus 4, because you bring this 4 to the other side. Now x is equals to 6 minus 4 is 2, or minus 6 minus 4. Now our x is either 2 or negative 4. You can use the two x's to confirm whether our answer is right. Now if we use 2 as x, here it will be 4 plus x squared, and 2 is 4, and 2 and x is 2. Now 2 squared is 4 plus 8 times 2 is 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Therefore our x, if it's 2, is correct. Now we go to 10. Our x is 10. X squared, 10 squared is 100, plus 8 minus 8 x squared, which is minus 10, is 100, plus, remember our x is negative 10. Now here it will be 8 times negative 10. So it is 100 minus 8, which is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Now we have confirmed that our x is 2 or even negative 10. Therefore, we have solved the equation using the completing the square method. And remember, practice make perfect.